I want to ask if that implies that in some way the training of the human voice is an attempt to open up a desocialized connection.
No, I would say a very sophisticated re-socialization.
Okay.
Because now you're a grown-up.
Yeah.
It's not that you were being encouraged to return
Right.
to the unmediated impulse following of the child.
Of the toddler, right.
But that you can find those impulses, and now the exciting thing is you have the choice.
Yeah.
You have choices among impulses, and you get this game, this wonderful game of life, which, how does this impulse actually impact upon this person? And is this going to be fruitful or not? And the negotiation then becomes very sophisticated and I think fun.
Yeah, I think that...
Does that make...
Yeah,
how do you feel about that description?
What I say to the students is really that anarchy is not freedom. You know, freedom is choice, really, when you're doing that. And that's why I don't like to work with younger people. They have to, for me, they have to be at a certain age where there's a consciousness that allows them to enter into that, to tap that kind of emotional resource or expression rather than just sort of splatting out and acting out in a way.
Yeah, and I was once offered a very useful little thing, which is say, you were working towards freedom from your inhibitions, but then it's freedom for what? And you really need to take care of that.
Okay.
Because there's a responsibility.
Okay. And in our case, when we're talking about the theatre and storytelling, what might be an answer to that? Freedom for what? Is it for in the service of story?
Well, this is so wonderful, the service of this particular art with a capital A.
Okay.
Yeah. And that I can only really, I think, teach with the excuse of theatre.
What do you mean by that?
Well, I can't honestly say that I know enough about life.
Oh, yeah. No.
To say this is really good for your life.
I think that binds the three of us.
I know that I
right.
can say it. This is really good in terms of theatre. In fact, it's essential in terms of theatre that you can go.